One decision in Tokyo could crash the world's economy. Let's get into why. So, what's all the fuss about? Well, it all starts with this one alert from the Bank of Japan. Raising interest rates sounds pretty normal, right? But for Japan, this is a monumental shift.
See, Japan's trapped in a perfect storm right now, starting with its energy problem.
The country imports basically all of its energy. We're talking over 90% of it. This creates a nasty feedback loop. High energy costs sink the yen, making oil even more expensive. Normally, the fix is easy, just raise interest rates. But Japan has one giant show-stopping problem. 227%. That is a massive number. That's Japan's national debt. It's the highest in the world, and it's not even close. So if they raise rates, their debt payments explode. They are totally trapped. So how does this affect you? Well, for decades, investors have been using Japan's super low rates to make a killing. They use a strategy called the carry trade. You can think of it as the world's free money machine. You borrow cheap yen, swap it for dollars, and then invest it abroad for a huge profit. But this whole game only works if Japan's rates stay at zero. So what happens when they don't? Suddenly, that free money faucet gets turned off, and everyone has to pay up, all at once. This forces them to sell everything, stocks, bonds, real estate, to get yen to repay their loans. And we've seen this play out before. A tiny rate hike sent markets into a complete nosedive. But hold on, it gets even riskier, because Japan isn't just a borrower, it's the world's biggest banker. Over $1 trillion. That's how much U.S. government debt Japan is sitting on right now. If things get bad at home, Japan might have to start selling those bonds to raise cash. And a flood of U.S. bonds on the market, that would make American interest rates absolutely skyrocket. So, how does this crisis hit your wallet? Well, your loans get more expensive and your money buys less. And this kind of shock could be the spark that ignites an even bigger fire, you know? So the real question is the world ready for a financial earthquake that starts in Japan?